It is Kativa Day. I'm shooting Katiba products. Yes, yes, yes. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Jax here, and today I'm gonna be starting to test and use some of the Katiba products. I did feature the wet coat in one of my short videos, but that's pretty much it. But today is actually the day where I'm gonna start really using their products. Their wash bucket, the clear wash bucket, which I absolutely love. Then their drying towel. Then the wash mitt and some microfiber towel to apply the glass clean and coating, which is this is the wheel coating, which I'm gonna be applying on this Tesla. Let me get out of the box. Wheel coating. Then the glass clean and repel. Glass clean and repel. The woman driving with a very clean windshield. And last but not least, the tire dressing. And there's a big old tire on the label. Monster truck. Alright guys, so this Tesla has been coated with C6 ceramics, so I'm not going to be featuring any body protection, but today I'm going to be applying, like I said, the wheel coating, the glass clean and repel, and the tire dressing. So let's get it. Here we go. Now, quick disclaimer, guys. This video is not sponsored. Katiba did not pay me a single penny to make this video. They did send me these products for free all the way from South Korea after I have visited their headquarters as a token of appreciation. All right, that's pretty much it. They did not ask me to make these videos. In fact, he makes a statement saying, I don't want you to do any products reviews. This is a gift from my heart to you. But why not? I want to feature these guys. I want to show to you guys what it's good out there. So that's why I'm doing this. All right. So my review is always solely based on my honest opinions and personal experience. So here we go. Now, the Kativa team told me that they opted to develop this towel with their supplier because this guy right here has less friction than the twisted loops. So we can easily glide onto the surface, and the suction power of this towel is just incredible. I can probably dry 3 Teslas easily. Alright guys, so it is now time to apply Katiba's glass clean and repel. And for that, I'm going to be using their microfiber towel. Purple for leveling and pink for the final buzz. feels extremely slick. I'm actually gonna do the glass roof and the rear glass as well. It feels very slick, guys. Alright, so let's see how this Katiba glass clean Repel performs under a water test. Here we go. Wow, check this out, guys. Alright, so first I'm gonna apply the wheel coating, which is this product right here. Check this out, guys. Look at the design. Look how gorgeous this is. I actually became very good friends with the head designer. Amazing artist, super cool guy. Love this. Now, unfortunately, this product isn't available through the House of Rags quite yet here in the US, but in Korea, it's a pretty popular product. So we might be seeing this very soon, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Now, before I start applying, let me talk about this product briefly. Okay, so this is a oil-based coating. The durability is anywhere in between 3 to 6 months. And in order for you to apply this, you have to ensure, of course, that the wheel is free of any contamination. Now, do not spray if you ever get your hands on this product straight directly onto the wheel. You got to spray onto your microfiber towel. And for that, I'm going to be using Katiba's microfiber towel, which is not available in the US. I don't think the US will carry Katiba's accessory. Not sure about that too, but you can ask the House of Rags. Sorry guys, in the middle of the application on the other side, I ran out of memory, so here we go again. Goes on very easily. Buff it. When I talk about clean wheels, there you go. There you have it. Alright, it is now finally time for the final touch with this tire dressing. And by the way, this one is a solvent-based tire dressing and it gives that beautiful satin finish. Okay. Now I'm going to be using Katiba's applicator, which is not available at the House of Rags. They don't carry Kativa accessories, but any applicator will do. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead, apply this tire dressing, and then show you the final result. Alright guys, so let's see how the wheel coating will react to a water test. So here we go. Once again. Alright guys, so here it is, the three products that I featured today from Katiba: the glass clean and repel, the wheel coating, and the tire dressing. Now, if you want to support my channel, you can head over to thehouseofrags.com and use my promo code at checkout, which is PAL for Pristine Auto Lab, and you're gonna get 10% off of any of the products that the House of Rags have in their catalog, including Katiba products and also Luminous products. Alright? Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you very soon. Take care.